Once upon a time, in a small town named Willywonka, lived a curious boy named Charlie Bucket. He lived with his family in a tiny house made of old scraps. One day, Charlie found a golden ticket hidden inside a chocolate bar. Charlie's heart leaped with joy. He had always dreamed of visiting Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, a place known for its delicious chocolates and wondrous creations. The golden ticket was his ticket to a magical journey. The next day, Charlie showed the ticket to his Grandpa Joe, who worked in the factory many years ago. Grandpa Joe was thrilled and shared stories of his adventures in the factory. On the day of the tour, Charlie, along with 4 other lucky children, entered the factory. The doors closed behind them, and they stepped into a world of pure imagination. They saw rivers of chocolate, candy trees, and edible walls. Wonka showed them his latest inventions: 3-course dinner gum, giant fruits that grew in a snap, and even a chocolate waterfall. The children were amazed, but one by one, they showed their true colors. They were greedy and disrespectful, and Wonka sent them off the tour. But Charlie was different. He was kind, honest, and showed gratitude. Wonka was impressed and shared with Charlie a secret room filled with more chocolate than he could ever imagine. Charlie returned home, his heart full of joy and his pockets full of chocolate. He shared his wondrous adventure with his family and friends. And from that day on, Charlie lived a life filled with happiness and sweet memories of Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.